Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Scattered Dresses. Crochet Scattered Dresses are used in different patterns, different designs, different perfect videos, just looking amazing, just looking gorgeous, and more creative and stunning videos. And scattered dresses are used in different parties, different skively dressing, and different colors combinations, varieties of crochet variety. It's more creative and newly designs, newly ideas, and जो भी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह आप लोगों को बेसिकली दिखाए गए हैं इनके रिलेटेड तो सभी आप सबकी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग हैं। आप लोगों ने उन डिज़ाइंस को देखना है, कैप्चर करना है, देन इस तरह की वीडियोस को, और काफ़ी सारी वीडियोस आप सबके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं। Just amazing, just looking gorgeous and perfect videos. Keep more amazing videos I have shared with you. And जो भी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह आप सबकी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोगों ने दिखाई गए हैं, आप लोगों ने उन्हें देखना है और इस तरह की वीडियोस को इजीली कैप्चर एंड शेयर करना है। और इस तरह के जो भी आप लोगों I have shared with newest designs and more creative and stunning videos of scattered dresses and different colors combinations, short frocks and long scatters are used in jeans, palazzo pants, and different topics and different designs of videos. So I will more attractive, more stunning design, more creative designs. तो जो भी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह आप लोगों को दिखाए गए हैं सभी आप सबकी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग होते हैं। I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members, stay will be amazing, stay will be gorgeous, and more fabulous videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications and different topics for crochet related videos and different ideas, different articles we have to share with you. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video in these creative things, fantastic designs and more creative videos. So I will more attractive ideas we have to share with you. I have shared with newly videos, newly designs, and different topics. So take care yourself.